what's going on? So this is how to fix CarPlay iOS 18 issue. So you're gonna first check for software updates. Make sure your phone and your car's system have the latest software updated. Softwares can cause compatibility issues, so you're gonna forget and re-add car. Go to settings, general, CarPlay, select your car and choose forget this car, and then re-add the car to re-establish the connection. You're gonna disable and re-enable CarPlay. You're gonna switch CarPlay off and on again by going to settings, general, CarPlay, and then toggling the switch off and then on. You're gonna try using a different USB port on your car's system or a different cable to rule out any issues with the current setup. Disable VPN. If you're using VPN on your phone, disable it and try again. You're gonna try resetting iPhone settings. Make sure to not factory reset your iPhone. Make sure to just reset the settings. If that's too necessary to use CarPlay, you're gonna downgrade to iOS 17, but I don't recommend that. I recommend just upgrading it because Apple might fix in the future updates some issues. So if your issue is still not fixed, you're gonna contact Apple support, and yeah, that is it.